How to create a pie chart in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel and select the data. Then click on Insert at the top. Here, select Insert Donut Chart. Here you'll find pie chart. Simply click on it. After you've clicked on the pie chart, you'll find pie chart here. Now you can click on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen in the chart title and select the settings, which is data label and other colors you want. And this is how to create a pie chart in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.